I'm Tori Trades, and I've been trading trend lines for 10 years now. In this video, I'm going to break down how to draw and trade trend lines in under 3 minutes. So first of all, what is a trend line? A trend line is a line drawn on a chart that shows the overall direction of price movement over time. So how do we find these trend lines? We're going to start with a top-down analysis. We're going to draw our trend lines in the monthly time frame. Upward trend lines, we're looking for the lowest point we see on the screen, capturing these higher lows. All right, so we've drawn all of the trend lines that we can in the monthly time frame. We're going to move to the weekly time frame now, making sure that your previous point Bs are your new point As when drawing your steeper trend lines, making sure that price has not intersected any of your trend lines. Okay, so that's all we can do on the weekly time frame. Now we're going to move to the daily time frame. Okay, we're in the daily time frame now. We're going to draw our last trend line that we can here in the daily, and then we're going to continue to move down time frames. So we'll continue to rinse and repeat, moving down time frames until you've made it to your designated time frame. So the 4-hour time frame is where I'm going to stay. This is where I will enter and exit all of my trades. How do we find the trade? How do we place the trade? After we have done our top-down analysis and we have drawn all of our lines, bullish and bearish, price hasn't intersected yet, we wait for price to break one of these two trend lines. Okay, we just got a break of our downward trend line. This is signifying an entry here. This is a downward trend line, so that signifies long positions. We're anticipating that the price is going to reverse. We're going to get a reversal in the opposite direction. Our stop loss or a risk goes on the other side of this opposing trend line. So if the price comes down and breaks this upward trend line, we are taking a $6,000 loss here. Now this is also depending on your capital, how much position sizing you are trading, and the instrument that you're trading. It could be much less, could be much more. If the price comes down and breaks this upward trend line, I'm willing to lose $6,000. As price is progressing in our favor, we want to now move this stop or trail it to break even. We don't want to see all $6,000 disappear and now move back to this $6,000 loss. We will take this stop loss and simply drag it to now break even. Now, worst case scenario in this trade is we close out with $0. Now that price has moved significantly in our favor and we have trailed our stop to break even, we can now trail our stop into profit. So the worst case scenario is if price breaks this opposing trend line, we close this trade with a profit. Now we're going to simply take that stop loss and drag it here. Now if the price turns around and breaks this opposing trend line, we're out of this trade. And there we go. We're able to capitalize on $4,600. So there you have it. This is your guide to trading trend lines. There is a lot more to it, and it does take a lot of time to master, but anyone can learn how to trade trend lines effectively. So if you're looking for more support and more education with like-minded traders, join my community in the link below. Or if you'd rather take a look at my YouTube channel, there are a ton of videos on there that can really help. Thanks for watching, guys.